Welcome to Mills River Crossing, a brand new community in beautiful western North Carolina. Mills River Crossing offers breathtaking views, spacious floor plans, and a dedicated team that will work with you from start to finish.
Our clients can rest assured that our homes are quality built with integrity and skilled craftsmanship. Mills River Crossing will include 50 single-family homes and over 3 acres of open space. The common areas will offer 2 dog parks, a playground, and a pavilion for residents to enjoy. Mills River Crossing offers the best of both worlds, country living with city amenities. Located just 25 minutes outside of downtown Asheville, 5 miles from Asheville Regional Airport, and an easy access to several of Western North Carolina's best rivers and streams. It's all right here. Award-winning breweries, excellent restaurants, and unforgettable mountain views.
Come and see Mills River Crossing. Reserve your private tour today.